Slow down, I know you wanna understand, so I'll explain the best I can what this pain feels like. It's hard, 'cause even as I'm sitting here, I would rather disappear than face the world outside. I'm floating in a violent sky. I'm okay, but maybe not. Hold my breath, you'll be fine. I should let someone know. Maybe when you're better, so I breathe. You'll be fine. I should let someone know. Something doesn't feel right.